Tim from Yours 6 Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card or code on your Apple Store on your iPhone. So this is very easy. You can use your camera or you can just enter in the code manually here. So if you see the code, just enter it in and redeem it. So how you get here is actually really easy. We want to locate the Apple Store. So this icon right here, Apple Store. Open this up. Now go up to your profile in the top right, select this, and there's a section right here to redeem gift card or code. So just tap this and bring you to the section. Now you can use the camera. You can open this up, just give her permission, and then you can just scan whatever you're trying to enter in. And then you should be good. I can flip it around here too. So most of the time I just enter in manually, and once it's on your account, you can start using the money or the points that have been added now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.